The moment you see this black, silver motorhome, you immediately realize it isn't just a vehicle, it's a sculpted architectural object moving on wheels. Its glossy black body is carved with smooth fluid silver curves that catch the light like liquid metal, and the thin golden tracers running along the edges make it look alive even when it's standing still. The panoramic windows, shaped like organic elongated curves, give the exterior an aerodynamic, almost futuristic personality. There's something cinematic about it, something that feels crafted rather than manufactured, and before the door even opens you can sense that the inside won't follow any traditional motorhome rules. This machine promises something different, compact luxury with an imaginative design language all its own. Stepping inside, the transition from bold exterior to soft interior happens instantly. The lighting becomes warm and ambient, glowing from the curves of the ceiling in soft amber tones that make the entire cabin feel alive. The surfaces flow instead of intersect, walls blending smoothly into the floor, ceiling layers rippling overhead in warm diffused light. The lounge is the first space to greet you, and it manages to feel both cozy and modern without wasting a single inch. Two curved pebble-shaped sofas sit across from each other, upholstered in cream with subtle black and gold trim, creating a symmetrical social setting that feels intimate. The floating black glass coffee table between them glows warmly from beneath, supporting a small vase of greenery that adds softness to the futuristic palette. Along the wall, a huge organic panoramic window stretches in a droplet-like shape, revealing a realistic roadside view instead of an unrealistic landscape, grounding the space in reality. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom unfolds in a sculpted organic layout that feels more like a modern retreat than a sleeping area. The bed rests on an asymmetric pebble-like platform in matte charcoal, floating above a soft golden underglow that makes the entire platform feel weightless. The mattress is wrapped in silver gray fabric, warm beige pillows adding softness and balance. The headboard is a curved black glass panel with a warm diffused golden glow behind it, creating a halo effect that lights the room without harshness. On one side, a matte black bedside surface holds a minimalist lamp with a brushed gold base, on the other side sits a tiny black vase with white flowers. Above, the ceiling is sculpted like ripples spreading through still water, layered silver arcs illuminated with warm white and soft gold lighting that wraps the room in comfort. A single, long black glass panoramic window runs along the wall, its subtle golden halo outlining the organic curve, giving a sense of openness without making the room feel exposed. Everything here is compact, thoughtful, and aesthetically balanced. Next to the bedroom, the dressing area forms a private zone that is small yet dramatic. The walls shift to matte black curved ribs blended with silver arcs, and the primary focus becomes the tall black mirror wardrobes arranged like flowing teardrop shells. Several sliding doors are open just enough to show neatly organized clothing, bags, and accessories, each niche illuminated by warm golden lighting. The floating vanity shelf in matte black glows softly from below, holding perfumes, grooming essentials, and a subtle folded fabric detail that adds realism. A frameless tall mirror behind the vanity reflects the golden lighting and the layered ceiling, making the small space feel larger. A compact pebble-shaped stool in beige with a black gold base completes the space, offering functionality without taking visual space. The dressing area feels like a luxury boutique corner in a compact footprint. Transitioning into the kitchen, the mood becomes sharper but still warm. The cabinetry is a sculpted mix of matte jet black bases and smooth curved satin silver edging that resembles flowing streams. The dark graphite counter is shaped in a gentle aerodynamic wave, separating the matte circular sink from the induction cooktop. The curved upper cabinet holds a built-in black glass microwave framed with a soft amber glow, giving the kitchen a professional yet premium feel. Golden LED strips run beneath every counter edge, highlighting the contours and making the surfaces appear more architectural. A compact dining ledge extends from the counter in a soft organic shape, holding two pebble-shaped stools in beige-black upholstery with thin golden trim. The tabletop holds a teapot and cups, adding a sense of everyday life to the futuristic design. A single, minimal, black glass window in an organic oval shape provides natural light without making the kitchen feel exposed or oversized. Moving ahead, the executive office space becomes a quiet, modern workstation wrapped in black and silver curves. The matte black walls carry satin silver aerodynamic veins that glow softly with golden microlighting. The floating desk, shaped almost like a wing, holds a laptop, a small vase with a leaf stem, a coffee mug, and a neatly stacked pair of books. A graphite ergonomic chair with golden stitching complements the desk, maintaining the luxurious tone. Floating black glass shelves glow subtly, holding minimal decor that reinforces the compact elegance. The environment feels professional without being cold, artistic without being unrealistic, making it perfect for work on the road. The next space brings a shift in energy, the gym. Despite the motorhome's compact size, This gym area feels authentic thanks to realistic professional equipment. A commercial-grade treadmill and elliptical machine in silver-black finish stand along the sculpted matte black walls, which curve in amoeba-like forms edged with satin-silver accents. A compact black rack holds a clean set of chrome dumbbells, each catching the warm golden light in soft reflections. The flooring is matte graphite anti-slip, giving the gym a grounded, real-world feel. The ceiling, shaped in gentle ripple layers, glows in warm white tones. A small organic oval tinted window provides a soft view of the roadside without distracting from the workout environment. The entire gym feels believable, modern, and balanced. Before the spa, the bathroom appears as a clean, premium sanctuary. Satin silver walls curve smoothly around matte black vertical bands illuminated by golden halos. The floating matte black vanity holds a clean white basin with a warm golden glow underneath. A frameless tall mirror panel reflects the organic lines of the room. The curved shower pod features tinted black glass with satin silver framing, creating a luxurious enclosed look. Inside, soft white backlighting enhances the space without overpowering it. A compact commode sits in a sculpted alcove, making every inch functional. The matte graphite floor keeps things grounded and cohesive with the motorhome's overall theme. The spa pool provides a surprising moment of calm. A small deep soaking pool in dark stone glows softly with amber underwater lighting, giving the water a warm, inviting shimmer. Satin silver organic panels form the walls, paired with black glass reflections that enhance the atmosphere. The ceiling above is sculpted into layered organic rings glowing warm white and gold. A small upholstered bench sits nearby, offering a place to relax. The window strip is slim and tinted, showing a soft roadside view that keeps the setting believable. Just before ending the journey, the cockpit completes the motorhome with a balance of realism and luxury. The dashboard is sculpted in fluid matte black curves with a satin silver upper arc glowing with a warm golden line. The steering wheel features satin black grips with silver detailing, while the digital cluster sits inside a black glass housing. Two premium pilot seats in silver gray with black gold stitching anchor the cockpit. The panoramic front window, shaped in a smooth aerodynamic curve, shows the open road ahead. The ceiling flows forward with soft golden light, bringing a final cohesive touch to the design. If you enjoyed exploring this completely new style of motorhome, crafted with modern sculpted forms, warm golden lighting, and a truly next-generation design, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. The future of mobile luxury is unfolding right here, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.